fully to raise the lid on the capsule loading compartment. Place the selected capsule as shown in the loading compartment. Lower the handle fully to close the capsule compartment. Make sure the handle is rotated in a horizontal position. Turn the selection dial to your desired volume setting. Press the brew button. The espresso will begin to brew. Press the brew button a second time if you want to stop the brewing, or to top off the cup at the end of the first cycle. You can change your selection mid-brew by turning the selection dial to a new selection. After brewing is done, lift the handle to its fully upright position. Drop the capsule into the disposal container.
Assistance video on how to use your new Creatista machine. Before preparing your coffee and milk drink, we suggest you follow some simple instructions. Fill the water tank with fresh potable water and turn the machine on by pressing the Start button. Place a cup under the coffee outlet. To accommodate a latte macchiato glass, push the cup support in until it locks. Rotate the select dial to select your coffee and milk drink. Press the Start button to start your preparation, or press the select dial to personalize the current settings of your Creatista machine. Rotate the select dial again to adjust the coffee volume, milk temperature, or milk texture. Press to enter and rotate to adjust the settings of your choice. Froth levels and coffee volume suggested are marked with a dotted line. Press the select dial to save and exit, or press cancel to exit without saving. It is recommended to use the milk jug provided with the machine for an optimized performance. Fill the stainless steel milk jug with enough fresh cold milk. For optimal milk froth, use pasteurized whole or semi-skimmed milk at refrigerator temperature. Minimum and maximum levels are marked on the inside and outside of the milk jug. Lift the steam wand and position in the center of the milk jug. Ensure the milk jug is making contact with the temperature sensor located in the drip tray. Lift the lever, insert your capsule and close the lever. Press the Start button to extract your coffee. When the coffee extraction is complete, press Start to begin milk frothing. When milk frothing is complete, remove the milk jug, lift the steam wand and wipe with a clean damp cloth. Allow steam wand to return to its down position and it will auto-purge to rinse itself. Pour milk into the espresso to finish your drink. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Nespresso Creatista machine.
Nespresso Vertuo is a gourmet coffee range that uses an innovative blend-specific brewing technology called centrifusion. With a simple touch of the button, the capsule begins to rotate, allowing the machine to read the barcode on its rim and automatically calibrate the perfect brewing parameters for that particular blend. As the water infuses the coffee grounds, the rotating capsule reaches a speed up to 7,000 RPM, and the centrifugal force gently brews the coffee, extracting its full aroma and forming a perfect crema every time. What's more, your Vertuo capsules are easily recycled. Discover our highly versatile Vertuo machines for all cup sizes. Placing an order's easy. Simply visit